Chapter 8, Hypothesis Testing Using the Traditional Method. The mean height of NBA players during the 2014-2015 season is 79 inches. The Portland Trail Blazers state that their team's mean height is 78 inches, with a sample of 14 and standard deviation of 5 inches. Is there enough evidence to support that their mean height is less than the NBA's with a level of significance at 0.05? First off, you're going to do your hypothesis test, and H naught is going to be mu equals 79 inches. Then H1 is going to be mu is less than 79 inches. Next, you're going to have to find your test value, and the formula for this is z equals x bar minus mu divided by standard deviation divided by square root of n. And when you enter this into your calculator, you're going to put z equals 79 minus 78 over 5 divided by square root of 14, and this is going to come out to be 0.748. So now we're going to find the critical value, and to do this we're going to use our calculators. We're going to go to Stats List Editor, F5, inverse normal. Then in the area you're going to put 0.05 since that is the level of significance, and then for mu you're going to put 0, and then standard deviation 1, and then the answer is going to come out to be negative 1.64. So now we're going to test this using the standard normal curve, and to do this, first you have to realize that H1 is mu is less than 79, so that means it's going to be a left-tailed test. So you can put a line on the left side, then shade that in, then label it 0.05 because that's the level of significance. Then everything else will be 0.95 because that's what's remaining. And then we're going to label this the critical value, which is negative 1.64. Then since the test value is 0.748, we're going to put that to where approximately it would land on the curve. So just put it right here, 0.748. Then that's the standard normal curve graph. So now we have to figure out if we reject the null hypothesis or if we do not reject. And since the test value falls outside of the critical value, we do not reject. And then now we have to make our statement. So our statement will say, there is not enough evidence to claim the Blazers' average height is shorter.